Hello and welcome to this workshop on building a swamp monster creature. We will be setting up a procedural animation workflow using Houdini's built-in biped animations, then doing a whole bunch of processes on the geometry and ending up with a mud creature. We will use the animation as a base to create our environment using basic HeightField nodes, then building upon that to create a swamp world that our creature lives in. Using the powerful HeightField scatter, we can quickly set up a procedural and hierarchy-based dressing system. Then using our environment as a base, we can build up our own MPM solver source, using a very core setup for the MPM solver to create a muddy swamp lip. Then using a bunch of VDP processes to get a mesh that we're happy with. We will do a very quick setup for flip fluids and pop particles to create different effects. Then combine all of these different workflows to create our final monstrosity of a mud mesh, or our mud mesh monster. After all our different elements are near to completion, it's time to make them USD Solaris compatible. So we will briefly go through how to set up all the elements to happily bring them into our USD Solaris world. With our scene assembly done, we're ready for rendering. So I'll briefly go through adding materials, lighting setups and rendering to enable us to get a final render that we're ultimately happy with.